Hey guys, it's Andrew with you here today. If you're a complete beginner, you're new to jumping rope, these are the 5 moves that I would recommend you start with. The first is the regular 2-foot hop, and I'll link below down in the description 2 tutorial videos for these 5 different moves. The second move is the Skirmish Hop, which is also a 2-foot hop jump rope move. The third move is the bell hop. Again, it's also a 2-foot hop move. So when you jump with 2 feet together, both feet are equally supporting your body weight. So when you land on the ground, your body weight is being supported with both legs, both feet. When you push off the ground, both legs are doing an equal amount of work. Jumping rope with 2 feet is great for balance when you're first learning how to jump rope. The fourth move that I would encourage you to learn is the side straddle. With this move, you're going to be jumping over the rope, and while you're in the air, you're going to be spreading your feet, your legs apart. And then when you jump over the rope again, you will be bringing your legs back together. The 5th move that I would encourage you to learn is the Scissor Hop. So I've provided links below down into the description to tutorial videos on these moves. I would also encourage you, if you're new to jumping rope, to do some warm-up activities before jumping rope, some joint and mobility movements. So I'll link below down in the description to a video that includes moves that I do to warm up, that I'll also do them during a workout and even after a workout, and even sometimes I do these moves just throughout the day. I would also encourage you, if you're new to jumping rope, check out my book, Jump Rope Johnny and the Inspiring Mr. P. I can relate to both characters, Johnny and Mr. P. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.